Shayna and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm so glad you're here, and if you're returning, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. As you've seen from the title, today I'm going to be doing a Rocksbox jewelry rentals unboxing and try-on. Real quick, Rocksbox is, like I said, a jewelry rental subscription service where for a $21 a month fee, you can select 3 items of jewelry from their website. They send it to you with a return envelope with shipping included. You can keep and wear the 3 items for as long as you want. And you can also have the option to purchase them with your $21 membership fee going towards the price of anything you purchase. And they also offer some good discounts for like being involved in the website and selecting items for your wish list, because you can choose which items you receive, or you can let their stylist select items for you. So this is actually my either second or third, I think this is my third shipment from them. And it's really great if you're interested in trying it. There's a link in the description box for your first month free. No risks involved, so I highly recommend if you're curious, just give it a try, and you can always, cancel it at the end of that first month. Alright, so, this week, this box, here's what the box looks like. It's a really cute box, and it has the 3 items packaged again inside very nicely, and they come in these cute little pouches. Alright, so this week I got 2 pairs of earrings and a necklace. So the first earrings are from the brand Ava Rose. They're called the Lowell Hoops in Silver and Platinum Druzy. The retail price is $55, but the member price if I want to buy them is $46. And here to look at what those look like. So they're pretty cute. I'll go ahead and try one of those on for you. So it's cool. It's a different look. It's a dangling hoop with a little gem at the bottom. And I usually wear mostly silver, a little bit of rose gold, and occasional gold. So today, these are obviously in silver tone, and then the next item is the necklace, and it is in rose gold. This is called it's from the brand Sophie Harper, and it's called the Delicate Crystal Charm Necklace in rose gold. The retail price is $60, and the member price for me to purchase it is $51. And there's a look at that. So it's very delicate, like it says, and it has little charms on the bottom. So there's like a little star, a little kind of like trio of gems, and then just like some little pendants. Alright, and it looks like there's 3 different hooks, so you can adjust how tight it is. I have a pretty large neck, so I'm going to start with the largest hook available. It's always tricky to put on a necklace by yourself. Okay. There we go. I really like that. It's very, very feminine and delicate. Come a little closer so you can get a better look. Alright. And then the final piece is a pair of earrings from the brand Perry Street. And we just celebrated Valentine's Day. We're actually, my husband and I are going out on Valentine's Day today. Valentine's Day just passed this a couple days ago. And these are the Valentine drops in rose gold. The retail price is $40 and the member price is $34. So if I was to keep all 3 items, the subtotal comes to $131. Then they deduct my $21 monthly credit, and they also give you a $10 buy all 3 discount. So it would be $100 even if I was to keep all 3. Alright, which I'm not sure if I'm going to keep. I really do like all of them, so I might. But I also kind of enjoy just wearing them and returning them. Oh, so here's, I forgot to show you, sorry. Here are the Perry Street dangly rose gold hearts. So they're very cute and very perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm a big fan of dangly earrings, so I was drawn to these when I saw them. I think I'll probably wear these out today. I'm going to take the necklace off though, because it's too many accessories. Alright. Save this for another outfit, another day. They're very light, but they seem like nice quality. Alright, so that does it for this week's Rocksbox jewelry unboxing video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate it, and I'm having so much fun starting this YouTube channel. I welcome any and all comments. I'd love to get to know more about you. I hope you have a wonderful day.